Hello friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I have a look of Cardano. What's the price change going in Cardano, what's the high price of Cardano, and what's the currently status of Cardano in the cryptocurrencies markets. I will show you in this video. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now as you can see now on the screen, that is the last 1 day price prediction. As you can see here, the last 1 day price prediction, as you can see the change is negative 3.1% change occur in the last 1 day. Absolutely a bad change occur, and as you can see here, that is a high position. As you can see here, that is a high position of Cardano Adda. And now look at the currently position of Cardano Adda. What's going in the Cardano Adda? Please tell me, as that is the best, as very bad news for all Cardano holders. Please, I'm they will make me mad in this video. As you can see here, the what's up bad change occur in Cardano, and this is the 1 day change. Oh my goodness, not a 1 hour change, 1 day change. And look at the price. Oh my goodness, the high price is $1.23 dollar is the high price of Cardano in the previous last 1 day. And look at here, the current price is $1.19% change occur in the Cardano. Absolutely a bad change occur in the Cardano. It's the last 1 day result. If this is the last 1 hour result, so that's not a big mistake, but that is the last 1 day result. As you can now, let's see the last 1 hour. Oh my goodness, what's going in the Cardano? As you can see here, the last 1 hour result is also in the falling. Oh my goodness, I'm really sorry for all of Cardano holders. I'm also holder. I'm very sad to look this result. That's bad change occur in the Cardano Adda. As you can see, the last 1 hour change is negative 1.07% change occur in the Cardano Adda in the previous last 1 hour. And what's the rubbish? As you can see here, the last 1 hour high price is $1.2 is the high price. Oh my goodness, what's the rubbish that's going? What's going in the cryptocurrencies market? What's going in the Cardano Adda cryptocurrencies? As you can see here, they are continuously falling down. So friends, what's your opinion about Cardano Adda? My opinion is very bad now, because it's a very bad funds of Cardano occurs in the last 1 day. So please share your opinion about Cardano Adda, as there is chances to they again grows up. And my hope is to they may be explored in the future. So please, if you are a holder, please hold it. I'm also a hold Cardano Adda with the end of this month. Please, my suggestion for all of you to hold it with the end of this month. And remember to subscribe IBS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.